morning student. আজি আমি discuss কৰিম second part, that is company account, issue of share capital. আমি first year already discuss কৰিছো what is company, what are the types of company, characteristic of company, what is shares and what are the types of shares. So আমি এই lesson আৰম্ভ কৰিম how company is issue share capital, otherwise what is the procedure of issue of share capital. Before discussing this, first, what is share capital? What is shares capital? Shares capital. The amount of capital which is raised by company through issue of shares is known as shares capital. So there are types. What are the types? The second topic is types. Types of shares capital. Shares capital. Number one, authorized otherwise registered or nominal capital. Nominal capital. Number second, issued capital. Issued capital. Number third, subscribe capital. Called up capital. Paid up. So here are the types of shares capital. Number one is authorized capital. So authorized, registered in nominal capital. The capital which is mentioned in the memorandum of association of company. Otherwise, the maximum value of capital which is issued by company during a lifetime is known as authorized, otherwise registered or nominal capital. Second one is issued capital. It is a part of nominal capital which is actually issued by company for public subscription. Say, for example, a company has authorized capital of 1 lakh shares. Out of this, the 30,000 shares is issued for public subscription. For public subscription, and this shares is known as issued capital. Next, third one is subscribed capital. It is that part of issue capital which is actually taken by public. For example, public company 30,000 shares, 1 lakh shares authorized capital asile tare 30,000 issue korise public or karone. Public e yare 20,000 shares lole. Jitu shares public e lobo, he shares to koa hoise subscribed capital. Next, called up capital. The called up capital is that part of the subscribed capital. The called up capital is that part of the subscribed capital. G2 जिखिनि shares to public e loise, he share khini bhitor, he share khini pa jikhini paisa, jikhini কোম্পানী কল কৰিব বা পেমেন্ট কৰিবলৈ ক'ব সেই পাৰ্টটো কোৱা হৈছে কল্ড আপ ক্যাপিটাল আৰু কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় যিমান কিছে 10000 শেয়াৰৰ পইচা দিবলৈ কোৱা হৈছে কল আৰু আউট অফ দিস যদি কোম্পানী পাব্লিকে যদি গোটেইখিনি পেমেন্ট কৰি দিয়ে তেনেহলে এটো কল্ড আপ বা আউট অফ দিস যদি কেনেবাকৈ নিদিয়ে যেটো পইচা এৰিয়াৰ হৈ থাকিব ইট ইজ নন এজ কলস ইন এৰিয়া যেটো আমি পাছকে ডিসকাস কৰিম and remaining are paid up যেটো ফাইনালি পে কৰা হয় The next topic is procedure of issuing shares capital. So what are the procedure for issue of shares capital? Number first, issue of prospectus. Prospectus. Number 2, application for shares. And number 3, allotment of shares. So there are 3 steps for issue of shares. Number 1, issue of prospectus to the public. Then second, interested shareholders, fill up the applications, and then finally company distribute the share, which is known as allotment of shares. These are the 3 steps for issue of shares capital. The next point is accounting treatment of shares capital. Issue of shares capital. Accounting treatment of issue of share capital. First, number 1, for receipt of application money. Bank account debit to share application account. Being application money received for dash shares at the rate of dash per shares. Then second, transfer of application money. So share application account debit to share capital. The narration to have being application money transfer. So these are the first for application. Bottom application money to receive kora hobo, then application money to transfer. So for receipt of application, bank account debit to share application account. and for transfer of application money, share application account debit to share capital account. Now second, number 2, for allotment money due, for allotment money due, share allotment account debit, share allotment account debit to share capital account, being allotment money due, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Next, number 4, receipt of allotment money. Receipt of allotment money. Equity share, bank account debit to share allotment account. So first, here for allotment money due, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Receipt of allotment money, bank account debit to share allotment account. Next, for call money due, share first or final call account debit to share capital. Here we have share first and final call likhisu. Kiba company remaining call money to duta installment which is known as first call and final call. Otherwise kiba ekelaga dia thake first and final call. So moi yada dekhai disu first and final call account debit to share capital account. And number 6, for receipt of first and final call, bank account debit to share first and final call account. Bank account debit to share first and final call. Here the narration is being first and final call money due. Here the first and final call money received. So first basic accounting entries by accounting treatment for issue of share capital. First 2 entries pass for application money due, receipt, then transfer, then allotment due, receipt, first call due and receipt. So first discuss what is shares capital, what are the types of share capital, what are the procedure of issue of share capital, and what are the basic accounting entry for issue of share capital. So I repeat korisu. Generally company jikhini capital with the help of share issue kori pela raise kore, this is known as share capital. So here first is authorized share capital, otherwise registered share capital by nominal share capital. So the capital which is mentioned in the memorandum of association by register kora hoy jitu capital submit kora hoy ba jitu capital mention kora hoy memorandum of association tak koa hoise authorized capital. Out of this tare eta portion jodi company public kane issue kore tenele hetu kora hoise issued capital. A part of capital which is taken by a part of subscribed capital, issue capital which is taken by public is known as subscribed capital and then called up or paid up. নেক্সট মই আকৌ এবাৰ ক'লো শ্বেয়াৰ কেপিটেল টাইপছ অফ শ্বেয়াৰ কেপিটেল কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে তাত আকৌ ডিছকাছ কৰিম আমি পিছকে তো দেন আৰু বাকি যিখিনি তোমাৰ হোৱাট ইজ কোম্পানী হোৱাট আৰ দ্য কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক অফ কোম্পানী what are the types of company what is shares what are the types of shares equity share preference share এখিনি তোমালোকে ঘৰত চাবা আৰু যদি তাত কিবা ডাউট থাকে আমি আকৌ ডিসকাস কৰিম তো নেক্সট reserve capital capital reserve first for example a company has an authorized capital of 1 lakh shares. Out of this, company issue 40,000 shares to public. That is issue. Out of 40,000, the public taken 30,000 shares, which is known as subscribe. And with 30,000 of it, company 20,000 share paisa bisarisa, which is known as called up. So where is the 10,000? Ji 10,000 share paisa hoite bisara howa nai. This 10,000 shares share money is known as reserve capital. That is the reserve capital. It is a part of uncalled capital which is called up only in event of winding up the company. Jeta company dikdar hobo, jeta company requirement hobo, tetia hetu bisor. So it is a part of uncalled capital. That is out of 30,000 subscribed, company called 20,000. Remaining this 10,000 is in reserve capital, which is known as the part of uncalled capital. So what is the difference between reserve capital and capital reserve? Now first point, it is the uncalled portion of share capital. It is the reserve capital is the uncalled portion of share capital, whereas the capital reserve it is a part of capital profit which is not too free for distribution as a dividend. So it is a part of, in other words, it is a part of capital profit which is set aside for a future, is known as capital reserve. The second point is the reserve capital cannot be used to write off the capital loss. Reserve capital is cannot used to write off the capital loss, but the capital reserve is used to write off the capital losses. So these are the basic difference between reserve capital and capital reserve. Aru he point ase kitabot mo dia ase saba very clear nohoy discuss kori. Types of share capital shown in balance sheet. Types of share capital shown in balance sheet. Next point, various sales capital khini बैलेंस शीटत केनेके शो करा होबो First study equity and liabilities on company balance sheet. Equity and liabilities is inside of balance sheet. Then share capital, share capital, share capital. তারপর লিখি authorize share capital, authorize share capital. Then it's closed. Second one is issued share capital, issue share capital. Subscribes capital. Called up unless falls in area. Now, before starting the questions, I will go to lesson to কি কি পঢ়িম summary টাইপ চাওঁ first. আমি questions কৰিম issue of share capital, subscription topic থাকিব, under subscription, over subscription question আমি ডিসকাস কৰি যাম. দেন যদি কিছুমান পইচা দিয়া নহয়, পইচাখিনি যদি দিয়া নহয়, which is known as calls in area, তাৰ ওপৰত adjustment থাকিব, calls in area. Similarly কিছুমান পইচা advance কে দিয়া হয়, which is known as calls in advance. Next topic, forfeiture of shares, reissue of shares. Okay. So first questions korim just for issue of share capital. Then that was issue of share at par, issue of share at premium, calls in arrear, calls in advance, over subscription, under subscription, okay, forfeiture of shares, reissue of shares. এইখিনি পইণ্ট আমি কুৱেশ্যন মতে কৰি যাম আৰু তাত কুৱেশ্যনৰ মতে আমি কুৱেশ্যনৰ লগত ডিছকাছ কৰি যাম কি হোৱাট ইজ অভাৰ ছাবস্ক্ৰিপশ্যন, হোৱাট ইজ আণ্ডাৰ ছাবস্ক্ৰিপশ্যন, ইন হোৱাট চিটুৱেশ্যন কোম্পানী ইছ্যু শ্বেয়াৰ এট পাৰ, এট প্ৰিমিয়াম, এটচেট্ৰা.